Hello everybody, thank you for watching. My name is Jazer. I'm marketing manager for NanoFlow X, and today we're in Houston, Texas at the Exponential show, which is the world's largest drone and robotics show for commercial and defense industries. And today we're going to show you how NanoFlow X is changing the game for weatherizing and waterproofing all sorts of electronics, robotics, and drones. Come check out our booth. Let's go. Check it out. Got your drones, all sorts of different industries. Come with me, keep going. I'm sorry about that. Come on, let's go. Check it out. This is gonna be really cool. These guys are changing the game. This is going to be the future of transportation, and it's all with Whisk Aero. Amazing company. Go check it out, guys. These guys are changing the landscape just like us, but in a different way. Follow me, follow me. It's pretty cool stuff over here. Keep following me. Come on, we're almost there. All right, guys, here is our booth, NanoFlow X. Come see what we have here at our booth. Welcome to our booth here at Exponential. We're going to be demonstrating our waterproofing technology here that we have. We have a full line of coatings from V1, which is for electronics that have low voltage, low amperage, all the way to V2, which is our most popular coating. It helps you get that IP68 rating, so electronics can be up to 1 meter of water for 1 hour and nothing will happen to them. We got our V3, which is our mid saltwater grade formula, our VX3, which is our newest non-fluoro line that we have, and we have our V4, which is our ultra grade saltwater formula. And we specialize in many coatings here at NanoFlow X, and we're able to help you save money on a bunch of RMAs, reduce costs on repairs and unnecessary warranty claims. And above all, we're able to help electronics last longer by increasing their lifespan. So here we have an example of a coated board. You can tell it's coated because it's super hydrophobic. Also here we have an uncoated board and a coated board. You can tell it's been coated because it has super hydrophobic features. And the way that our coating process works is so simple. All you got to do is take any printed circuit board without having to mask any component, and you submerge it in our coating solutions for 5 seconds. After that, you pretty much heat at 176 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. And then pretty much the heat cures the coating onto the surface, making it super hydrophobic. And you can apply the coating on any part of the drone, whether it's the GPS unit, sensors, motors, ESC, FC, connectors, antennas, LiDAR, cameras, you name it. The same process is done for every single component. And we've been demonstrating this technology at Exponential 2025. We're so excited with all the feedback that we've been getting, and we can't wait to help you also with your electronic needs for whatever drones that you may have, whatever robotics or any kind of electronics. If you're interested in this technology, I encourage you to reach out to us at info@nanoflowx. We also have kits available on our website where you could test out for yourself and DIY the solution before buying 1 liter or buying any sorts of volumes from our website. And in our kit, we include 200 milliliters of our coating solution, and we also include a dipping tray. We include a filter and a funnel, because whatever solution you do not use, you could simply put it back in our bottle, filter it, and funnel it back in there. You can close it up really tight, store it in somewhere cool and away from direct sunlight, and pretty much once you open it, it has a lifespan of 1 year and 2 years unopened. So again, you could apply this on any single component of your drones. You could apply this on controllers. You could apply this on cameras, security cameras, all sorts of different electronics. So if you're interested, reach out to us at info@NanoFlowX or visit our website at nanoflowx.com. Thank you for checking out our booth at Exponential 2025.